In this question, it is given that the ratio of coefficient of apparent expansion of same liquid in two different vessel is 1 is to 2. So we are considering two different vessels, take it as vessel 1 and vessel 2, and we are finding out the apparent expansion in these two different liquids. So in question it is mentioned that the ratio of coefficient of apparent expansion of same liquid in two different vessel is 1 is to 2. So we can take it as gamma apparent in the first situation divided by gamma apparent in the second situation is given as nothing but 1 divided by 2. If alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the coefficient of linear expansion, then the coefficient of real expansion of liquid is. So when question is not mentioned, but you can write alpha 1 and alpha 2 are the coefficient of linear expansions of vessel, linear expansions of vessels, then the coefficient of real expansion of liquid is. So we can write it like this. The gamma apparent in the first situation is gamma apparent is nothing but gamma of liquid minus gamma of container. So we can write gamma of liquid minus gamma of container in the first situation, and gamma apparent in second situation we can write gamma of liquid minus gamma of container in second situation. Now we can write the as we don't know what about the value of this gamma of liquid, and they are asking to find out the gamma of liquid and the ratio is given. So what we'll do is we can just divide these two equations. So if we are dividing these two equations, we can write gamma apparent of liquid in first situation by gamma apparent of liquid in second situation is equal to gamma of liquid minus. Now in question the value of gamma of container is not given, but the alpha of container is given, linear expansion is given. So we note that gamma is nothing but 3 times of alpha, so 3 times of alpha in first situation, and gamma of liquid minus 3 times of alpha in second situation. So we can write the ratio of this one is given as nothing but 1 divided by 2 is equal to gamma of liquid minus 3 times of alpha 1 and gamma of liquid minus 3 times of alpha 2. So we can write this gamma of liquid minus 3 times of alpha 2 is equal to 2 into gamma of liquid minus 6 into alpha 1. So we can write this is equal to nothing but Rm is to find out the value of gamma of liquid. So we can write this is 6 alpha 1 minus 3 alpha 2 is equal to, we can take it as 2 gamma L minus gamma L, which is equal to gamma of L.